This is the brutal truth why your short views suddenly dropped, or YouTube stop recommending your short, or you stop getting views on your short. And I'm not going to hide anything from you or try to sugarcoat this content, okay? Now, before I dive deep into the video, let me share my own story with you. When I started YouTube 4 years ago, I was not really serious about it. It was just about hobby and passion for something. I never took it so serious. So I was posting short and I was getting a lot of views. Sometimes I would get 2,000 something views in a day. Like, I'm not even capping. So I kept on posting and I was getting the same results. Not until, I don't know what happened. Maybe YouTube policy changed, the community guidelines policy changed, and then I stopped getting as much views on my short. So I got discouraged at some point. I stopped posting short. I stopped posting video at the same time. So I quit YouTube for a while. Then after that, I went back, but I just stopped posting short because it wasn't encouraging. Not until recently, I stumbled on Favor's concept video, how she upload a short to go viral. So I watched the video from the beginning to the end. The next time I was going to post my short, I applied all the YouTube strategies she explained in that video to my shorts. After I posted my short, I noticed that my short got a lot of views and it was still counting. I was just watching how the views were multiplying, increasing. So it got to a point that these views stopped. It just froze. It wasn't going anywhere. It remained at the same numbers. So I was now wondering what happened. Did YouTube stop recommending my short? Why is my short not getting views anymore? So while I was wondering, I then noticed that the views count dropped. Now, this is not just one views that dropped. This is about 100 views. I told you that I got about 1,500 views, and now it has reduced to about 1,400 views. And I was wondering, YouTube, what happened? It took me a long time to post this short. Did YouTube sold my views to other? Because I was just wondering, I was just thinking out loud, like I was so hungry. Then something said I should watch other videos why your views will suddenly drop or why your views will freeze. I just went on YouTube tab and typed in exactly what I was searching for, and I got to see some videos talking about how to unfreeze your views, how to get more views on your videos, different videos with different titles. So I click on the one that best suits me as a distracted audience. Okay, so I actually watched that video. I think it was one of Dan the creator's video. So I watched the video from the beginning till the end. After I did that, I went back to my YouTube Studio Analytics. Mind you, if you want to know everything that is going on your channel, all you just need to do is go to your YouTube Studio. It will show you where you're falling short, how to correct everything that is going on. If your views are dropping, if you're not getting enough views, if you're not doing some things right, just go to your YouTube Studio Analytics. You will see every details and you'll be able to correct it. Okay, and also I would advise you to also follow creators who have done so well in the YouTube industry and have shared their formulas, their YouTube growth strategies. You can't be an island if you want to grow on YouTube, especially if you want to monetize your channel. You have to follow people that knows the road, follow people who have been there before. Even Mr. Beast too didn't start from 1 million subscribers. He started from zero, and today everybody is celebrating Mr. Beast. He's one of the greatest, if not the greatest creator on YouTube. So it's very important that you follow people that have been there, have made mistakes, and have made it on the YouTube platform. So I went to my YouTube Studio Analytics and I got to find out why I was losing views and also why my views suddenly freeze. I checked on how viewers engaged. Under it, I saw the percentage of those who swiped away and the percentage of those who stayed to watch. So I noticed that the people who swiped away, the percentage was higher than those who stayed to watch. So that explains the reason why I stopped getting views. Okay, so now this is what happened. If YouTube noticed that the percentage of those who swiped away is so high, YouTube may not want to recommend that short again to any other persons because people are not watching it. People are just swiping away. Okay, and if people keep swiping away, it will not encourage YouTube to keep on recommending your short to any other audience out there. That is number one. Now the second one I'm about to explain is the reason why your short views suddenly dropped. Maybe you had about 500, you had about 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 views on your short, and suddenly it dropped to a particular amount that is lesser than the actual amount of views that you saw in the initial stage. The reason why YouTube reduced your short views is because when the viewers were watching your short, some of them didn't watch for so long. Maybe they only stay for about 1 or 2 seconds or 3 seconds or 5 seconds, which is not enough watch time or watch hour. So YouTube is going to put that into account. If people keep seeing your short but they're not staying so long, it's going to affect your views count. YouTube is going to look into that as people are not really watching. Even though they see your short and watching for a while, create an impression to YouTube that yes, your short is getting attention from audiences. But when they're not staying as long to watch your short, by the time YouTube want to count the views, it's not going to count those who stay for about 1, 2, 3, or 5 seconds. The numbers of views that were removed from your views count are the numbers of the views that did not stay as long to watch your short. The actual amount of views you're seeing right now are the real people who stayed to watch your short from the beginning to the end. Okay, I hope you get the point now. So those views you're seeing right now are the real-time views. Okay, so all these are what YouTube always put into consideration when calculating views and calculating watch time, watch hours. You know that YouTube make their money or their revenues through audiences watching videos and also watching short on their platforms. So if they're not staying as long as possible, YouTube is going to be discouraged in showing your videos or your short to any more people out there. Now, what you need to do, the first thing you need to do is when next you're making your short, make sure that it is engaging enough to hook audience from the beginning of your short to the end of your short. You have to make sure that you create something that hook your audience in the first initial stage of watching your short, maybe for the 5 seconds, so that they can watch that short from the beginning to the end. One of the things that you can do is to add overlays, B-rolls on your short. Sometimes you can also add music. I'm coming to that, okay? So you can add all these things to hook your audience. For that 5 seconds, you have to do something about it so that you can hook your audience for them to be able to watch the short from the beginning to the end. So the next time you're creating your short, add B-rolls, add overlays, and add music. Now, coming back to music, when you're uploading your short, if you look up, you will see that there is an icon that signifies song. If you click on it, you will see recommended songs, trending songs that people are listening to. You can add any music from one of those trending or recommended songs to help you to get more views on your shorts. It will help your short to go viral. Why? Because people are listening to that song. So if they're listening to the song, automatically they would be watching your shorts. There are a lot of recommended songs when you click that icon. So all you just need to do is to choose the particular one that best suits your short. Don't just add any song, so that when they're listening to it, it actually aligns with exactly what you are uploading, what they are watching. You will see that your views will increase. Another thing you can also do is, if you look to your right, there is this letter icon. After you must have had music or add song to your short, you can click on it and write a caption, probably a title or something to draw audience attention to click on your short. After you must have done that and you have uploaded your short, just click on private. Then on your description, make sure that you add the right hashtags to your description. Don't upload your short the same way you always upload your videos. If you go to my description on this video, you will see that the hashtags are beneath. They're not in the beginning, okay? Why? Because this is a video. If it is short that you're uploading, your hashtags has to be in the beginning of that description, okay? Not at the end before you write any other thing. Now, if you're writing hashtags, you have to choose the higher numbers of hashtags. Like, let's say for instance, you want to upload a short that is related to entertainment. So maybe your short is about dance. When you're choosing dance or whatever you're choosing, just click the one that has the higher number. But just in case you don't understand this, drop it in the comment section. I will explain further. So after you must have chosen all the hashtags that you want to add to your short, another important thing is to choose the right category. If what you're posting is entertainment related, you want to choose entertainment. If it's educational related, you want to choose education. If it's fashion related, you choose how to and style. So all these things are very important for you to know when you're uploading your videos or you're uploading your short. Why do you have to do that? It will help to position your short to the right audience for that short. Okay, same as hashtags. You have to be very, very strategic when you're uploading your short and also when you're uploading your video. It is not about just uploading short or uploading video. You have to be very, very strategic on the YouTube platform so that you align yourself with the algorithm and you allow the algorithm to work for you. And I hope this video has been impactful. Did I leave anything at all? I don't think so. So after you must have done that, all you just need to do is click on the public, okay, and let it go live. See that you get more views. And also make sure that you tick everything possible in your YouTube Studio features. Like if your content is altered, if it's yes, click on yes. If it is no, click on no. And also if it is paid advert or something sponsored or whatever, you want to click on yes or no. So always make sure that you're ticking the right boxes when uploading your short. Make sure that you meet all the YouTube guidelines or all the YouTube policies on the YouTube Studio features before you upload your short or upload your video. You will see that your views will increase. It will go viral by doing all these little things. So that is what I learned, and it has also helped me. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have watched me to this moment and you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. I remain your girl Oluwatosin. And also like, if there's anyone that I did not touch properly, all you just need to do is signify in the comment section and I will touch on it again. Unless I forget, guys, I talk about a lot of things on this channel. I talk about faith, productivity, relationship, business, beauty, and also YouTube growth strategies, okay? And that may want to turn away some viewers, because the reason why you're subscribing to this channel may be because of YouTube growth strategies, not because of relationship or not because of business. That is why it's very important for you to turn on your notification button so that you'll be able to see the kind of video that is coming up by the title. And if it is not the title that is related to the reason why you subscribe to my channel, it is easier for you to just swipe away. Thank you so much for doing all that, clicking the notification button, subscribing to this channel, and also liking this video. I really appreciate you so much, and I will see you in the next video. And until then, have a great day. If you're watching in the morning, have a blessed day, and if you're watching in the evening, have a wonderful night rest. And until then, bye for now. Bye.